Good day everyone, my name is Jubilin Cristaka Magay from 11 ABM, and for today's vlog we will tackle about social stratification in the Philippines. Social stratification means the differentiation of a given population into hierarchically superposed classes. It is manifested in the existence of upper or lower social layers. These social classes are not rigid categories, and individuals may move between them over time due to factors like education, employment opportunities, and social economic changes. Addressing these problems requires comprehensive and sustained efforts, including political will, effective governance, investment in education and infrastructure, and fostering an environment conducive to economic growth and social inclusion. Additionally, natural disaster and climate change pose significant challenges to the Philippines, affecting infrastructure, livelihoods, and public health. To combat these problems, implementing policies to address poverty and inequality is crucial. This could include investing in education and healthcare, implementing progressive taxation, and creating job opportunities. Additionally, strengthening institutions to tackle corruption and promoting transparency and accountability are essential. Improving infrastructure through investment in transportation, utilities, and telecommunication can enhance connectivity and support economic growth. Collaboration between government, civil society, and the private sector is vital for effective implementation and sustained progress.